Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Joyce. So today I'm in the kitchen, but I'm not going to cook today. I'm going to prepare carrot juice and pineapple juice, and I'm going to take you step by step on how I do it. So over here I have my carrots, and I have peeled my pineapple. Sijaipeel vizuri. And the reason I have not peeled, sijatoa hizi zenye zinatoleangwa, is because the juicer itazitoa yenyewe, sorry. So nitaenda kuosha carrot. Kitambo I used to peel my carrots, but siku hizi sipeelingi, natoanga tu hizi za juu. When I wash ninatoa hizi kwa sababu juice itatoa maganda yenyewe. So there is no need of peeling, just washing. So this is how our juicer look like. And this is where we'll be collecting our juice from. So for you to start putting your things, you have to remove this first. And then unaweka carrots zako hivi. I prefer kuzikata hivi into halves like that. And then after you're done doing that, hii ndio inazisukuma huko ndani. So you put it back and then after it is done the first round, and then you remove again. First round, hii ndio juice yenye imetoa, only 2 carrots imetoa hii juice. So second round you do the same. And then urudishe this one na tena uwashe. So you can unaweza iweka at 1. There is 0, 1 and 2. So I prefer putting it hapa kwa 2 ndio inini haraka. And your hand must be here so that you can keep pushing it down. So we are done with the carrots. Hii ndio juice yenye imetoa. So because we are going to put in the pineapple, nitaiweka hapa carrot juice. So that is our carrot juice. Bado inaendelea kutoka kidogo kidogo tu. So I'm not going to wash this because inaendelea tu na pineapple. So unlike carrots, pineapple inakuanga na fiber mingi, so ukiweka mingi ama kubwa haitoangi juice haraka, so inakubidi tu kate kidogo kidogo kuliko carrots. Carrots hata unaweza rusha ikiwa full, but pineapple iko na fiber mingi, so itazuia the machine kuzunguka haraka. So let us see. So as usual, we remove this one and then urushe kidogo tu, and don't put too many like carrots. So we start with that one. Decided to wash it so that you can see the difference. Nime notice nikiweka pineapple hapo bado inatoa ikiwa na carrot, so I decided to wash it first so that you can see. So I have washed the kajar, and then I'm going to remove this one so that I can show you. So hii ni maganda ya carrots yenye inatoka. So as I was telling you, there is no need ya kuosha carrot ya peel carrots because the juice inajitolea maganda. So nitatoa tu hii maganda and then I will show you. So this is where the maganda zinakujanga, ndio hizi zimejaa hapa. Yeah, so let us wash this and then we continue with the pineapple. So I'm done with cleaning, so we are going to start kutengeneza hii juice. And on my next video I'm going to show you venye hii kitu inasetiwa, venye inafunguliwa, venye inasetiwa. It is a 3-in-1, so I'll be showing you. So here pineapple haikuwa kubwa, it was only half, na haikuwa zile kubwa, it was tule tudogo. So this is our pineapple juice. As you can see, haijatoka mingi because the pineapple was not big. So I think it is, sijui itafika hata glass moja. So this is for mom, Miss Kulangi pineapple. There are those people who do not take pineapple. I am one of them. So mom anapenda kumix carrot juice and pineapple. So I've decided to come out here and enjoy my carrot juice. And I have read some health benefits of carrot juice. Point number 1, they're saying it is very nutritious, and it is very true. Carrot juice is nutritious. Point number 2, it helps with our eyes. So for me, I'll be taking more of this carrot juice because of my eyes. Point number 3, they are saying it is good for your liver. Number 4, they are saying it manage blood sugar, and also it helps with your heart, and it also help with cancer diseases. So I have read those important benefits of carrot juice, and they are advising us to be taking a glass a day, and it is also good for your skin. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have really enjoyed today's vlog. If you have enjoyed this vlog, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section down below, and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Until my next one, bye bye.